Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we've got an exciting new product for you Bronco enthusiasts. Plastic parts on older vehicles tend to become brittle, turn yellow, and crack after years of being exposed to the elements and being exposed to the extreme heat of the engine compartment. The Radiator Overflow tank was no exception. Dennis Carpenter now offers our Radiator Overflow tank for the 60, 60, 77 Broncos with an optional stainless steel bracket. Our tank kit is an exact reproduction of the original. It comes complete with the cap, hose, and our new stainless steel mounting bracket for some added shine to your engine compartment. The best tank on the market, this restoration quality tank is the perfect solution for your missing or leaking tank. It will help keep your classic Bronco's cooling system working properly. So replace your cracked or missing tank with a restoration quality replacement from Dennis Carpenter. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.